First time for Thai cooking class, yes. Oh, we cooked the tom kha and the mussel-man curry. Yeah.
Which one you think is difficult?
I think that the mussel-man curry is more difficult than the tom kha, but then I don't eat tom kha usually. I like mussel-man curry, so I'll pay more attention to that.
We only cook pad Thai and the salad, so I don't know about the other ways of cooking Thai cuisine, but for pad Thai it's good. We follow the recipe and it's a good success.
Well, I like pad Thai, but other than that, I love the salads, like papaya salad and pomelo salad and other things like that. They're very good. And of course your curries, all the different colors, the green and the red, also very, very good.
Yes, because there's lots of ingredients, lots of fresh ingredients. In my country, the food is very bland, so we just steam everything. But in Thai food, there's lots of chilies and sauce. It's really big variety.
Well, I'm American, so you know, our cuisine is pretty simple. You know, I think that Thai cooking has a much greater history. It has a much longer tradition. I think it's probably much more nuanced. You have different ingredients coming in over time across many generations, more than American cooking. So I think it's much more complicated. Yes, yeah, and a better taste. I like Thai food.
It's been fantastic fun. It's been great here with colleagues. I've learnt a lot and we've had a great laugh and hopefully some delicious food. It's been really fun.
The atmosphere is really exciting and I think we're having a great time. It's really fun and it's a great activity.
Also, Isan food, the best.
You like Isan?
I love Isan food. Nam prek, I love nam prek. Yeah. And northern food, sausage, so good. Fermented pork sausage. If you make that, I will come back and learn how to make that here. Cool, thank you.